Hi everybody, my name's Kim and welcome to this tutorial. I've had quite a few people ask about one of the tools which I used, which was Snip. So in this video I'm going to just run through two ways of capturing an image that's on your screen. So first off, I'm going to show you one inbuilt way, which is just on a keyboard. Now, I use Windows. I'm a Windows 10 user, so I'm not sure if this would work on a Mac. But since I'm on Windows, I've got my image up here already, which I'm going to say that I want to be able to capture. The quickest way to actually capture this image with here is just to use the keyboard shortcut. I'm just going to use print screen. Print screen then captures the image, and then you can use any image editing software to actually edit the image. I'm a big fan of GIMP, so I'm just going to go GIMP. I'm going to create new, control new, and just paste my image in here. And there's the capture of my screen. I can then, do something very simple like I just want to keep why did you not do that? I gotta paste it first. There we go. I can then marquee select that and use a very simple tool as to layer or image, crop to selection. And there's my selection in quite a high resolution, or as big a resolution as what my screen is. The other way of doing it is, discard changes to that, to use a program in Windows which is just called the Snipping Tool. You can search that through the search bar, and you can usually just type snip in, and it's an inbuilt tool in Windows. Snipping Tool is fairly intuitive about what you get, but you've got different modes that you can grab. It's usually set up on rectangle snip, but you can do freeform or a window snip or a full screen snip. I usually end up with a rectangle snip, and just this gives you your marquee tool, which is just like what I did in GIMP, but there's my marquee tool, and the image is straight away there ready for me just to go File, Save As, and I can save that as my character. And so that gives you that base image to be able to work on. When I was doing this, I was working towards making this colored. But there you go. There is two quick tools for being able to grab an image off your screen really, really quickly and easily. Thanks everybody for watching all the way through. This is quite a useful tool for most artists to be able to grab an image. If it's been helpful, please like, share, subscribe. Comments are more than welcome. I quite often look through my comments to try and find more tutorials that people are wanting to find. So thank you very much. Wishing you all a very wonderful day, and I'll talk to you all again very soon.